Have you ever imagined a railway cutting through the endless dunes of a scorching desert? A railway project so ambitious, it defies nature itself. Welcome to Saudi Arabia's $22 billion race to build one of the most transformative railway systems in the world. A project that promises to revolutionize transportation, link distant regions, and reshape the economic landscape of the Middle East. But how exactly is Saudi Arabia achieving this massive feat? And why are they so determined to build a railway through one of the harshest environments on Earth? Stay tuned as we unveil the incredible story behind this groundbreaking project. Saudi Arabia, a land synonymous with vast oil reserves, is now racing to become a global hub for innovation, tourism, and trade. At the heart of this transformation lies the ambitious $22 billion railway project, part of the country's Vision 2030 initiative. Vision 2030 is Saudi Arabia's master plan to diversify its economy and reduce reliance on oil by developing infrastructure, tourism, and renewable energy. One of its key pillars is transportation, and the railway project plays a central role in making the vision a reality. But what makes this railway so special? It's not just a line connecting cities, it's a lifeline for economic growth, environmental sustainability, and regional integration. The question is, can Saudi Arabia overcome the massive challenges of building in the desert and meet its lofty goals? Part 1. The scope of the project. Let's break it down. The $22 billion railway project is officially known as the Gulf Railway Network. It's a massive initiative that aims to connect Saudi Arabia with its Gulf neighbors, Oman, UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Qatar. Internally, the network will link major cities like Riyadh, Jeddah, and Dammam, covering over 2,000 kilometers of track. The most talked about part of this project is the land bridge. This 1,300-kilometer railway will connect the port city of Jeddah on the Red Sea to Dammam on the Arabian Gulf. Once completed, it will slash transportation times for goods and passengers, transforming Saudi Arabia into a key logistics hub between Europe, Asia, and Africa. But it's not just about speed. The railway will also support sustainable transport by reducing reliance on trucks, cutting carbon emissions by 70%. According to the Saudi transport minister, this project is expected to boost the GDP by $16 billion and create over 70,000 new jobs. Part 2. The challenges of building in the desert. Now, let's talk about the elephant, or rather, the camel, in the room: building in the desert. Constructing a railway in such an extreme environment is no small task. Saudi Arabia faces three major challenges. Number 1. Harsh climate. With temperatures soaring up to 50 degrees Celsius, construction equipment and materials are under constant stress. Workers need to operate in conditions that can be life-threatening. Number 2. Shifting sands. The desert's shifting sands can bury tracks and disrupt operations. Engineers are using advanced technologies like geotextile layers and sand shields to stabilize the tracks. Number 3. Logistics. Transporting construction materials across vast, remote regions is a logistical nightmare. Specialized machinery and innovative supply chain solutions are required to keep the project on track, literally. Despite these challenges, Saudi Arabia has partnered with international companies, including China Railway Construction Corporation and Siemens, to bring in cutting-edge expertise and technology. They're even using artificial intelligence and drones to monitor and optimize construction in real time. Part 3. Why this project matters. But why is Saudi Arabia pouring $22 billion into this project? The answer lies in its strategic goals. First, the railway is a game-changer for trade. By connecting the Red Sea to the Arabian Gulf, it will allow goods to bypass traditional sea routes, saving time and money. Experts predict this will make Saudi Arabia a critical player in global trade routes. Second, the railway will boost tourism. With high-speed trains connecting major cities, visitors can easily explore Saudi Arabia's cultural and natural landmarks, from the futuristic city of Neom to the ancient ruins of Al Ula. Third, it's about regional integration. By connecting to the Gulf Railway Network, Saudi Arabia is strengthening ties with neighboring countries and fostering economic cooperation in the region. In short, this railway isn't just about transportation, it's about creating a sustainable and diversified future for the entire region. Part 4. The economic impact. The economic benefits of this project are enormous. Saudi Arabia's government estimates that the railway will handle over 3 million passengers and 50 million tons of cargo annually by 2030. This will not only reduce transportation costs but also attract foreign investments. For businesses, the railway opens up new opportunities for trade and logistics. In addition, the railway supports the development of industrial zones and smart cities along its route. These zones will attract industries ranging from renewable energy to tech startups, further diversifying the economy. Part 5. Environmental benefits. One of the most remarkable aspects of this railway is its focus on sustainability. Saudi Arabia is committed to reducing its carbon footprint, and this project is a key part of that effort. By shifting freight from trucks to trains, the railway will reduce greenhouse gas emissions by millions of tons each year. High-speed electric trains will also run on renewable energy, aligning with Saudi Arabia's goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2060. In a country known for its oil production, this focus on green transportation sends a powerful message to the world. Saudi Arabia is serious about its transition to a sustainable future. As the sun sets over the vast Arabian desert, Saudi Arabia's race to build a $22 billion railway stands as a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. It's not just a railway, it's a bridge to a brighter, more sustainable future. By connecting cities, boosting trade, and embracing green technology, Saudi Arabia is proving that even the harshest environments can be transformed with vision, determination, and innovation. The question now is not whether Saudi Arabia will complete this project, but how soon the world will witness its transformative impact. From being an oil powerhouse to a transportation and logistics hub, the kingdom is on track to redefine its place on the global stage. And there you have it, the incredible story of Saudi Arabia's $22 billion railway in the desert. What are your thoughts on this ambitious project? Do you think it will deliver on its promises? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from around the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.